go, let's go, let's go. Some people have no filter. Some people have no filter. Technically, I choose what I do. But you know what? What you did was just wrong. I don't care anymore. When you choose that for your 15 minutes of fame, technically, what you did was just wrong. Go ahead. Try and make fun of the president. But I'm not going to call you out on it. I actually like our president. I didn't like Trump, but you know what? I never said the F word towards him. I might have said the other word, S-A, I'll admit that. But technically, I never said the F word. You have no filter. You have no filter at all, period. Who even you are calling out the president like that? You have no filter. You have no filter. You have no filter. You little piece of stone. You little jerk. I'll be nice as I can, but not nice enough. Just like Alice Cooper said, no more Mr. Nice Guy. He's right. Because you don't deserve the nice trat. You have no filter with your filthy mouth. Technically, you have a foul mouth, Mr. Crow Bird of the World. You have a big foul mouth, swearing at the president with the F word. Well, I wouldn't do that. They couldn't pay the wolf to do that. My bark is worse than my bite. Very true. Damn, I'm paying whatever. I have a girlfriend, but I'm not stupid like you. You have no filter. You have no filter. You have no stupid filter. You have no filter. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have no filter. You want a little thing where someone tries to libel you and tell you the truth? I don't care. I'm not a real recording studio. Where I am is where I am. But you have no filter. You have no filter. Crow world. Crow world. You have no filter. You have no filter. You have no filter. You have no filter. Nobody likes you. They only clicked on it because they couldn't help it. He only went viral because everybody was drunk or high or feeling heroin. You have no filter, Crow world. Crow world. Technically, the wolf is here to tell you, shut up, shut up. You have no filter. Shut up, shut up. You have no filter. You have no filter. How? You have no filter. You have no filter. I have filter, but I will say this. I'm done with that shit. You have no filter.